So what I want to do is I want to hand jog this tool up to the inside of this spindle liner right here so that this tool insert is touching this liner. So you're going to go hand jog 0.01 and you're going to very carefully approach the chuck. As soon as you start to get close to it, you want to do a gear shift down to 0.001. If you're within at least an inch from the part, you've got to be on 0.001. Okay? So then I'm going to approach the inside of the spindle tube, the spindle liner. Then I'm going to come over here, I'm going to get a piece of paper. And I'm going to get as close as I can in X to the inside of that spindle tube. Now I know you can't really see very well in there, but if you look in there, you want to get as close as you can without the paper. Now watch me put the paper in there. Then you want to insert the paper in there, like so. Now there's paper in between the boring bar and the chuck. And then is what you do is you constantly move it up, going click by click, until there's drag on the paper. Now I've got a feel for this, so I can go relatively fast on the hand wheel, but you're going to want to go one click at a time. Pretty close. Right there. Okay, right there, the paper has caught the spindle tube. So now I know that the inside of this boring bar is right at the liner diameter. You never be too safe, so you always want to come up just one or two clicks at a time. Right there. Now right there the paper's not moving, which means that that tool is actually a couple thousandths too far, pressing that paper up against the spindle tube. So I'm going to back it off 1 or 2 thousandths so I get that little bit of drag. You see that little bit of drag on there? See how the paper is still moving? That's right where you want it to be. Because if you go too far and the paper doesn't move, you take a chance of breaking that insert. Okay? You want to do a close-up on that?